this morning. Frosty though. So I've been up allotment this morning, but I've not done a lot. Because Sandra did it all yesterday. I was going to tidy my shed, that's all I had to do. Look at that ice. Yeah, so I've been up allotment. That lackey's gone up a bit to 11 point something, so hopefully today with this sun should whap it straight up. One at Bass's was disconnected. I took it in bits. Anyway, I've got a job at home for to do because this here, it's an old bench. It's not a dear one. We got it off Joe next door a couple of years ago. But if you can see, it's rotted, see. And that's come out. But it's got solid metal round when that comes out. So what I'm going to do is take that out. I bought 3 pieces of wood, just soft wood, 2x1. And I'm going to cut it in battens and just put it on the bottom half. Just to save it really, I don't really want to throw it away. Because it's pretty solid other than that. So these hopefully should come out with little nuts on the back. If they don't, I'll cut them off with a grinder. I'll cut them into strips. I'll put them bolts through. Cut them off at the bottom. I think Shirley's painting it grey. I don't know. Anyhow, I'll crack on with that. I've not put kettle on yet when I've made that brew. There you go. Put them off. One of them things there. So now I've got a solid base now there. So I'm going round and round it at edge. On both sides. With some strips of that. I'll take that glass out for a minute. There it is. Out the middle. There you go. Then paint, frame a good paint. Be brand new. Let's put them on the boom. Well, I've got that kettle on. I've got my sander there, so I'm going to make a brew. And then this side is smooth as a baby's butt. Every bit, and I've rounded all edges off. That looks good, that, doesn't it? Don't look like 10 bob wood from Handyman's out road, but it is. And it's nice and steady. This side I've not done, can you see? It's all rough. So we'll sand that down, give it a rub over, put that tabletop back on, and let's see how it looks with the brew on. Not bad that, saying it was destined for the landfill, is it? Let's have a look how that looks with the brew on. There you go. I think that cost me the grand total of, with all the bolts and nuts, and I've got too many, £11.45 for everything. But it's good that wood when you sand it up, isn't it? And it might be the last time you see that as a natural one, because I've got one of them wives who likes everything matched. Go in the house, everything matches: grey, silver, grey, silver, grey doors, silver, grey, silver, grey. Anyway, getting away from that. That's my domain out there. She doesn't touch out there, all she does is mow the lawn. Same at the front. This is no man's land. So really, we've both got to say in this little area. So I want to try and put some Danish oil on that, because it doesn't get weathered under here anyway. Even if it did, it'd protect it, and I think that'll look nice. And if I put it on the metal as well, it should bring it up. I've got some WD, I'll bring that up with WD, because she'll want to paint it grey or something, or brown. But everything's grey and brown under here, isn't it? I'm taking an executive decision. Danish oil. But I'm not brewing a fag first. die-hard fan. I think that's a good executive decision. Can you see the colour there? Yeah, stops there. And I've buffed it off then, and it's lovely and smooth. So I'm going to do the other one same. But I've also saved these, which I'm not going to throw away because they're the right shape for a seat, so they can sit on top. Just sit on top there, they'll look alright, won't they? And if she wants to take them off, she can take them off, but that's the colour they're going. So don't throw your old bench away. Spend 11 quid in about an hour and a half. No, wasn't even that. It was about an hour. Time was it 10 to 12, yeah. Spend 11 quid in an hour and save yourself a lot of money. So I'm going to make another brew. Finish doing that, and then I'm off work tonight. So I'll be to bed early tonight. I've been up plot this morning, but there's nothing to do. Just sat at shed and pondered for a couple of hours. There you are, lovely day, innit? Still not melted, that frost. That's there where the sun is. Anyway, see you next week up plot. See if them carrots have grew.